Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the vector length on the Navionics Boating application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the layers icon at the lower left corner of the screen. Go to the AI settings button, and here you can find the second option, the vector length, and just pile the circle on the line, and here you can set the length and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.